Hi friends. In this video, I am sharing my experience at a hotel in Phuket, Thailand. This is Hotel Memory Boutique, which is located near Patong beach. The approximate distance from the hotel to the beach is 900 meters. And the distance to Soi Bangla is about 1.5 kilometers. It is possible to walk to the beach and Soi Bangla from the hotel. Memory Boutique has a guest rating of 8.7 on Agoda, which is classified as excellent by the website. During November 2024, with advance booking and payment, I got their deluxe double with balcony for less than 1200 baht. It was a nice deal, but was non-refundable. I will now show you the amenities in the room and the hotel. This was my deluxe double with balcony. The balcony was small, and was good for sitting out to smoke. It was not allowed to smoke in the room. The room was good, and had all the basic stuff. The bed was comfortable, the air conditioner worked fine, there was an electric kettle with tea-coffee supplies, and they provided free drinking water. Other amenities included a flat-screen TV, a mini fridge, a personal locker, free Wi-Fi, and a work desk with a chair. The bathroom was okay, not great. The shower space was narrow, and separated by a curtain. It was not so convenient. The one thing I missed in the room was a privacy curtain. There was a blackout curtain, and once I opened it, the room was open to view from the outside. For the price they charge, they could provide a privacy curtain. The other thing missing was international power points. You may need to use an adapter here to charge your gadgets. Down in the lobby, there was a pool table, and some dining tables for use of the guests. There was no restaurant in the hotel, but if someone brought their food and drinks from outside, they could use these tables to sit and enjoy their meal. The front office staff helped with booking our day trip to Phi Phi Island, which turned out to be good. And if someone wanted a taxi from the hotel to Phuket airport, it would cost 800 baht when booked at the front office. The hotel building is inside a quiet alley, away from the traffic noise of the main road. That was surely a good thing. Overall, Memory Boutique is a good property with some minor issues. The price you pay to stay here will actually decide how satisfied you will be. With that, I have covered the essential details. For any more information or to share your feedback, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Thailand and other countries. Many thanks for watching.